Today's video we will be learning on how to delete character AI bot. If you are struggling to delete the characters on the character AIs, then don't worry. I will be showing you how to delete the character AI bot, so let's dive right in. First of all, open the character AI app, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now here you can find the recent chats, just right here. Now to delete character AI bot, simply tap onto one of these characters just like this. Then tap onto its profile icon right here. Then scroll down and here you can find there is no any buttons to delete the character AI bot. So what you can do is simply hide it. Now tap onto hide character just like this. Tap onto yes. And now you can see the character is now hidden. By doing this, the bot will be hidden and you will not see the character in the character AI app. And that's it. This is how you can delete the bot in the character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.